Okay folks, today we're going to do a video tutorial on WordPress setup, and we want to introduce you excuse me to a website called bannersnack.com. And the reason is we want to show you how to make a free banner or free ads for your website, your new WordPress website. So the first will be making a banner, and then we'll do another video tutorial on just making different sorts of ads. Let us first take you to a website we are currently developing, and by the time you see these video tutorials, this website will be fully developed. And this is how to PowerPoint .org, and we actually set this website up. Now this is for those of you who took part in our WordPress cleanup series that we did for one of our clients. We actually set this up as a direct sales page, and we're going to darken around here. And we also want to, as WordPress goes, we want to tell you a few things. And the first thing is that we actually took a different tack with showing just some of our PowerPoint designs with creating short videos with Windows Live Movie Maker, 30-second videos. We use JPEG, or we use image files to create the videos. So this is a great way, and we actually did a series on just easy video production. So these, as you look here, you'll see the different slides flashing. So when people come to your website, products, services, this would be really cool for you to show them your offerings through inserting short videos. You could just see them flashing and popping. So we just wanted to introduce you to that. But what brought you over here for, the main point was to show you this is something we made with bannersnack.com. We will say before the beginning, if you choose to not upgrade to their premium services, and if you're just beginning, we don't see why you would do that. You will have to leave a link in here, which is more than fair for the awesome services they offer. Now this is a flash banner. We're going to rework this just to be a GIF file. So what we're saying is, with Bannersnack you can make these flash ads, half-page ads, whatever you want to do, and you can make banners. So that's why we wanted to bring you over here. So let's go to one of our client sites. This was the WordPress cleanup series that we did. We wanted to insert a video, but our client wanted to stay with actual JPEG images, so we honored their request, obviously. So this is like a direct sales page. Affiliate marketing is one of the most competitive keywords on the market, and this guy is certainly headed towards, after we worked his site with SEO also, he's headed towards top rankings. So with Bannersnack, we're going to begin here, and we'll click make a banner, and then we will sign in. So when we sign in, this is where you will be taken. Now you have to decide what size is the best for your website. What you see, that big banner on homepage of Bannersnack is with the woman sitting there that we clicked. That's more of this size. But for purposes of today, the banner side anyway, we're actually going to show you how to make a leaderboard banner, which is about that size roughly. So the first thing you want to do once you set up an account is you want to highlight what size you need. Now you could start with this, but certainly sample this, whatever you think is best. So we are going, and then we'll go down here, we'll go to next step. Now when we go next step, we'll start with this banner size, and we'll just introduce you to the functions up here, and we can save draft. We recommend once you start, folks, that you just go through it, but you can save it if you want. Once we are done just making a simple banner for the website that you are actually seeing, we'll publish it. You can go to setting, and this will let you edit the banner's URL for Bannersnack anyway, background color and some things. You can undo actions just like you can with editors, with text editors. Adding text, you can add image, you can add new clip art, you take advantage of our social media optimization series. You will and our WordPress cleanup series. Actually, you can find out how to avoid using crappy clip art and use 3D avatars and some other bunch of free resources available on the web. You can put a button here, which is always profitable. When you go back to the home page of Banner Snack here, you actually saw that button we clicked was actually this function. And you can insert a YouTube video, which is marvelous. This is so cool. And we actually get into this in our more advanced WordPress SEO series. You could play the slide, play a particular slide, or you could play the entire slide. So down here, this you can make as many rotating ads as you want to here. Now this isn't the size, but you can actually make rotating banners here too, and it's really easy. Over here, up here, you have new banner. You can create as many banners as you want actually for free. You can do new rotator, and then this is like your profile, but we're not going to worry about this because we're just actually going to create an easy GIF banner, because one thing that we don't recommend is that you create a flash banner with Banner Snack up here, because it's good for side ads as we showed you, but at the same time you don't want Banner Snack's URL up on your leaderboard on the main banner, the first thing people will see on your website, interfering with any words or messages or click-through offers you have up here. This is slide duration here. You won't worry about that because we're just making an easy GIF banner today. So what we're going to do is we're going to begin here, and we're going to check out some of the functions here. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go to color, and you can you just, obviously it's a color picker, so you just pick on the color you want. Be careful with the bright colors like these. You don't want that to hurt people's eyes or in any way discourage people from taking advantage of your message. So that's what that is. Now you can also do right here, which is a linear gradient, and just click on there. But the beautiful thing there is that you can actually still use the drop down feature here and create like different linear gradients. So that's all you want to do is just click around and see what works best for you on your website, or whatever that is. So you can also choose presets here. We're not going to go into that. Right here you can mess with how the gradient looks, but we just recommend, when you begin anyway, you just kind of stay away from that as much as you possibly can anyway. So what we're going to do is the first color we're going to try to play with to create a banner for the AdWords by Google website is we're going to go here, but we are actually just going to do we're going to actually just do a solid color, folks. So when we go here, we'll start with and as you can drag over here, you could see the colors kind of unfolding. We'll start with gray to see what happens. So we're going to choose to go right here and add images first. Right here you could see some cool things that you could see some cool things that we were kind of working with here. So we actually we're not going to actually leave that on there. So we'll just trash these images. So there's no confusion here. So we trash both of those images. So first thing, you can go to Flickr if you have a Flickr account, but we recommend you just upload them straight from your computer. Now with that said, there's a huge part of SEO that we strongly encourage you to learn, taking advantage of our WordPress SEO series, because even the optimizing this banner for images, the background, and all of those things are relative to great search engine position. So what we're going to do is that AdWords by Google is actually promoting a great software from a guy named Perry Marshall. We love Perry. I mean, he is the #1 AdWords guru. Now he's expensive, but using his techniques, this guy really